Oh my god, guys. Y'all definitely gonna have to try this one. Wow. So good. Mmm. Mmm. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen. For today's recipe, I'll be making some birria tacos. Here are the ingredients for this recipe. I'll be using all-purpose adobo seasoning, street tacos, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, tomato, fresh garlic, chili peppers, cumin, cilantro, oregano. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is remove the seeds. We're just going to cut apart the stem and then just shake it up. Shake it like a salt shaker. Alright, remove the seeds. Alright guys, now it's time to start seasoning our meat. I'll be using 1.5 pounds of beef shoulder roast, and it's boneless. I'm just gonna add some seasoning. Right now I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of cumin, tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, also a tablespoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, about a teaspoon of oregano, paprika, we're going to gently mix everything together. Add chili pepper to blender. Add tomatoes, garlic, cilantro, beef stock, blend. Okay guys, so this is what your beef should look like. You know, falling apart. Nice and juicy. So the first thing you want to do is add your tortillas. Just dip it a little bit into the juice, into our sauce. Then we're going to place it directly into the pan just like that. And you're going to repeat the same steps. Then we're going to add some mozzarella cheese. Add your beef. some onions, some chopped onion. Cilantro. And as soon as our cheese is melted, then we'll just go ahead and flip our tortillas. I'm also going to add a little bit more juice. Oh my God, guys. Y'all definitely gonna have to try this one. Wow, so good. Wow, delicious, guys.